everyone, welcome to the English class today. How are you today? Today I'm very happy to be here to share to all of you the new lesson. And are you ready? Okay, now let's get started. And before we start the new lesson today, I want to ask you some questions. Listen and answer. Number 1. What is the girl with the pink t-shirt doing? Number 2. What is the boy wearing a blue hat doing? 10 seconds for you to think and answer. Okay, and now let me show you the answers. Number 1. What is the girl with the pink t-shirt doing? So, she is sitting on the swing. She is sitting on the swing. And number 2. What is the boy wearing a blue hat doing? So, the boy is playing soccer. He is playing soccer. And as you can see some the red words here, is playing and is sitting. So that is the present continuous form and we studied today. Now let's move on to the new lesson. We study Unit 2, language focus, about the present continuous tense. And today we just focus on affirmative and negative forms. First of all, let me show you the usage of this tense. We use the present continuous tense to talk about things happening now. For example, please be quiet. The children are sleeping. And the second one, you use the present continuous to talk about the future plans or arrangements. For example, Mary is going to a new school next term. So these are the uses of the present continuous tense. And let's move on to the first point, affirmative form of that tense. Here I want to show you the form. Subject add am is are, add verb in, and add object. Am is are, they are to be or be verbs. For example, we are playing table tennis. So you try to remember 3 be verbs, am, is, and are. And we use am for I. We use is for he, she, it, and singular nouns. And are for you, we, they, and plural nouns. So that is affirmative form of that tense. Now let's move on to the negative form. Here we have subject add to be, am, is, and are, add not, and verb in, and object. For example, we are not playing table tennis. And you try to remember, we have am not, is not, is not is isn't, are not is aren't. So today we just focus on two forms, affirmative form and negative form. And next time we will continue the interrogative form of the tense. And now, let me show you some adverbs that you can see in the sentences when you use the present continuous tense. For example, now, right now, at the moment, at present, or look, be quiet, something like this. Now, right now, at the moment, at present, or look, or be quiet. These are some adverbs in the sentences. And now I will show you how to add ing to the verb. First one, general rule. Add ing to base form of the verb. For instance, as you can see, talk plus ing, you can say talking. Sing plus ing, singing. Read, add ing, reading. For example, John is talking to his neighbor Mr. Deck, or the bird is singing. Now, when the base form ends in the vowel, you remember there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And when the base form ends in vowel E, letter E, you delete or erase the letter E and add ing. For example, dance, dancing. Smile, smiling. Maria is dancing. This young girl is smiling. Now, the next point, when the base form ends in IE, the 2 vowels are replaced by letter Y. For example, we have a word lie, L-I-E. So you change IE into Y and add ing. Lie, lying. For example, the cat is lying by the fire. Now, let's move on to the next point. Some verbs with 1 syllable in ending with 1 consonant. 1 vowel and 1 consonant, CVC form. So you need 2 double consonants. For example, sit, add ing. So there are 2 final consonant T, sitting. Swim, swimming, 2 final consonants M. So, let me show you a video about how to add ing to the verbs.
Unit 14, Inflectional Endings, adding ing. Phonics fact. Hey kids, adding ing to a verb tells that the action is ongoing. When a verb ends with 1 or more consonants, we can just add ing. Let's take a look at the examples. Read with me. Draw, drawing.
Draw, drawing.
Eat, eating.
Eat, eating.
Drink, drinking.
Drink, drinking.
Walk, walking.
Walk, walking.
Very good. Let's read together.
Draw, drawing.
Eat, eating. Drink, drinking. Walk, walking. Phonics fact. However, when a verb ends in a consonant and an E, we should remove the E before adding ing. Let's take a look at the examples. Read with me. Dance, dancing.
Dance, dancing.
Hide, hiding.
Hide, hiding.
Ride, riding.
Ride, riding.
Write, writing.
Write, writing.
Good job! Let's read together. Dance, dancing. Hide, hiding. Ride, riding. Write, writing. Phonics fact. And when the verb ends with one short vowel and one consonant, we can double the final consonant before adding ing. The double consonant keeps the vowel short. Let's take a look at the examples. Read with me. Cut, cutting.
Cut, cutting.
Run, running.
Run, running.
Sit, sitting.
Sit, sitting.
Swim, swimming.
Swim, swimming.
Very good. Let's read together. Cut, cutting. Run, running. Sit, sitting. Swim, swimming.
Okay, and now everyone, let's move on to the next exercise. So, you open your book, student book, and you read the study strategy and then write the ing form to the verbs. 30 seconds for you. Let's go. Okay, time is up. And now, let me show you the answers. Number 1, become. The answer is becoming. Number 2, use. Using. Number 3, send. Sending. Number 4, speak. Speaking. Number 5, sit. Sitting. Number 6, write. Writing. So that is the end of this exercise. It's time for practice. You complete the sentences with the words in the box. You choose the correct words in the rules, as you can see in your student book. Number 1, Anna blank Lucy an instant message. Number 1, we use is sending. Number 2, Anna blank real words. The answer is Anna isn't using real words. Number 3, they blank a truly international language. And the answer is are becoming. They are becoming a truly international language. Number 4. We blank face to face. And the answer is aren't speaking. We aren't speaking face to face. And now let's move on to the next activity. You look at the picture A and complete the sentences from 1 to 5 using affirmative form and negative form of the present continuous tense. "30 seconds for you." Okay, time is up. And now let me show you the correct answers. Number 1. A man, a woman, and a dog blank in a boat. And the answer is are sitting. You use are because a man, a woman, and a dog. So it's a plural noun. So you use are sitting. Number 2. The man blank have a conversation. And the answer is having. The man is having a conversation. Number 3. The woman listen. So the woman is not listening, or the woman isn't listening. Number 4. She sleep. The answer is she is sleeping. And number 5. The dog blank points to a sign. And the answer is the dog is pointing to a sign. And the answer is pointing. So that is the end of this exercise. And now let's move on to homework. You learn by heart the structures and prepare the next lesson. And then you make 3 sentences using that tense. Okay. So that is the end of the lesson today. I would like to say thank you for your watching. Goodbye everyone. See you next time.